I feel like there's a difference between democracy in Europe and Africa. Yeah. In Europe, democracy, it is a system of government which gives the people the power and freedom to express themselves about politics freely, without fear, and the rule of law. Unlike here at home in Africa. In Africa, democracy is like a bag of weed. They give it to you depending on what they feel. They look at the size of the bag. Like Cameroon, you need a big bag of weed. Boom. 43 years on power. Like Uganda, yeah, you need a medium, strong weed. Boom. 40 years on power. And like Kenya, I'll give you a small one, wheat. It's not too strong, but small. 2 terms, go. That's democracy in Africa. Especially in DRC, it's quite different. In DRC, sometimes we are in democracy, some other time we are in dictatorship, another time we are in nothing. Nothing at all. We don't know if we are in democracy, we are in dictatorship, we are just like mixed up. Like a weed, like a bag of weed is mixed. Strong weed and weak weed, they just mix it up. Small one, they just get, this is DRC. That's our democracy in DRC. Yeah. I mean a lot of Congolese and they're like, Chris, do we have really democracy like in Kenya? I'm like, no. Guys, we don't have the same democracy like in Kenya. Kenya, they have their own democracy. Kenya, you cannot exceed 2 terms. 2 terms, go. Less than 2 terms, go. You can't exceed. You can leave the office. Less than 10. Not more than 10. In Kenya. And they have a freedom of speech. In Kenya, you can speak, you can talk. You can criticize the government. You can criticize the president. That's why recently you heard the president of Kenya, William Ruto, like on media. Maybe like on meeting, like, unajua sasa mie hivi sasa wanaanza kuniita Kasongo. Mimi naitika kama mimi niko Kasongo. Lakini mimi ndio rais wa hii nchi ya Kenya. Hakuna mwingine rais. Wao wanasema kule mimi ndio nakamata sinyatire. Muhuri yote mimi ndio napiga muhuri. In Kenya. Yeah, people they calling the leader, the president Kasongo. Kasongo, Kasongo, Kasongo. Mimi naitika kuwa Kasongo. Lakini mimi ndio rais. Mimi ndio nacha muhuri. Mimi ndio najua Wakenya watalala vipi, watakula vipi. Mimi ndio najua Wakenya watumiki ni wangapi. Mimi Kasongo. Mimi nakubali kuwa Kasongo, lakini Kasongo president. Si ndio? Si mnajua kama mimi ndio president wa Kenya hapa? Ndio. Those guys, they discuss, they free, they express themselves. The people, they give their own opinion. So when they want to protest, they're free to protest. When they want to claim something, they're free. They do it without fear. They have that freedom. The government has given them that power. Like in DRC. Yeah, in DRC it's quite different. DRC, you can't just wake up one morning like, no, we need to protest, we're going to demonstrate tomorrow. Hey, yo, olingo sala ni. Yo, mona teke gouvernement za sala. Bino ka ko sala chaque jour na balabala chaque jour na bo réclamer nini. Bino bo sala, boy, wende kuloga misala. Mwene mtafute makazi. In DRC. Yeah. Reason why you heard our president, the former president, Joseph Kabila in Goma in east of DRC, he was on media. He was just doing interview from Belgium journalists. We're asking a few questions about politics. Because the current situation in DRC is quite bad. You know? Yeah. Since the rebels occupied the 2 provinces, things are not okay. Yeah. He was accused of being behind those rebels. That is his agenda. They sentenced him for 30 years. Now we can't go back in the capital city in DRC. Yeah, for him to win DRC, he has to go through where the rebels occupied. Yeah. I love that journalist, the way he was asking him. It was a Belgian journalist. He was like, Monsieur le Président, donc actuellement, il y a un débat sur les médias locaux congolais. Donc il parle beaucoup, il paraît qu'il y aura quand même cette idée de changer la constitution, de modifier la constitution. Qu'est-ce que vous dites en tant que président de ce pays-là? Yeah, the president was like, non, quelle constitution? Non, la constitution a été bafouée, a été ignorée depuis 2019. Dès que j'ai laissé seulement le pouvoir, la constitution a été bafouée. Then the journalist was like, so do you think we should just leave it like this, or what do you think going to happen? And the president, the former president was like, non, vous savez, je crois que le peuple, quand nous allons mobiliser le peuple congolais quand même, c'est un peuple un peu donc un peuple qui peut nous surprendre. Bon, il doit être mobilisé, pas aujourd'hui ou demain ou le lendemain. Our president. Non, on n'allait pas mobiliser le peuple. Non. Mais le président, vous vous rappelez aussi, hein, quand vous étiez au pouvoir, c'était la même chose. Hein, vous avez fait la même chose. Nous, en tant que peuple, on n'a pas été mobilisés. On a été mobilisés. C'est là qui était mobilisé. Vous les avez tués. Nous avons peur. Nous n'allons pas dans la route. Non, nous n'allons pas dans la route. On n'est pas d'accord d'aller dans la route. On n'allait pas marcher. Nous n'allons pas faire aucune démonstration. Ne veut pas la démonstration puisque vous allez nous tuer. Vous donnez des militaires, des armes, ils viennent nous tuer. Nous n'allons pas faire ça. Then they asked him the second question. What the journalist was like. Nous avons attendu que quand même votre résidence a été, tout près de votre résidence a été attaquée. Est-ce qu'on a, c'est vous qu'on visait? The former president was like, ah non, pas seulement me viser, c'est pas la première fois. On m'a toujours visé. On m'a envoyé les drones, c'était les drones. Est-ce que, monsieur le président, est-ce que les drones étaient en train de vous chercher? Non, ce n'est pas ça seulement. On m'a toujours visé. Moi, c'est peut-être qui essaie de... Hein? C'est moi peut-être, hein? C'est moi qui... Hein? And president, the former president is telling us, yeah, now the situation is very bad. Those two guys, they can't live together. One is living in east, other is living in the west. Can't speak together like friends. But we were telling them, we used to tell them, hey guys, when you are doing politics, try to do things which people will benefit. We should be beneficiaries of your politics. The fruit of politics should it benefit us as ordinary citizens. Yeah, do things according to the law, so they may not affect you in the future. They never want. Now again, check now the country how it looks like. One part of the country is occupied by the rebels. Now the former president is not free, can't travel in the country. For him to go in the country, he's supposed to hide, running away. How he can't reach the capital city, Kinshasa. Can't take a craft and go in Kinshasa. He can't. Yeah, the dog is biting the owner. On was like, hey, peuple, mobilisez-nous, peuple, pour que on chasse Félix Sekete. Like, non, nous n'allons pas mobiliser. Vous savez qu'on s'est mobilisé pour te chasser. Vous savez qu'est-ce que vous avez dit, vous avez fait, vous avez tué combien, vous savez que vous avez envoyé des policiers, des militaires. Nous, on n'est pas prêts pour cette mobilisation. Nous sommes là. Now he's crying like the dog is biting the owner like non, on n'est pas prêt, on n'allait pas se mobiliser. The dog is biting the owner. What is happening with DRC? That's democracy in Africa. It's like a bag of weed. Combien?
Ouais.
Yeah, you.